Hi guys, how's it going? Today we're going to go over how to draw Iguanodon. Iguanodon is an awesome dinosaur, and we're going to go through it step by step for beginners with any marker you want. You can use a Sharpie or you can use this. This is a Faber-Castell PITT artist pen. I'll tell you the good part about it and the bad part about it. The good part about it is that it's probably 7 times bigger and lasts longer than a Sharpie, but it's more expensive. So a Sharpie will probably run you like 50 cents, and this is about $7. You can get on Amazon if you need to. The link's in the description. If not, I believe they sell it at Michael's, but that's kind of all I've seen within the States. That's pretty much it. Also, doesn't have that horrible smell. Sharpies have a terrible smell that over time, I guess, are bad for your brain, I heard. So that's why I stopped using it. This has no smell at all, and that's why I like it. So that's really the big part, one of the biggest parts to do. So let's get started on Iguanodon. Alrighty. So Iguanodon has kind of a cool looking neck, and it's gonna be, the head's gonna go straight, have a little bump toward the top. By the way, also, if you're not subscribed, please subscribe and click that little notification bar, and so that's gonna notify you for future videos, so you don't want onto the knee here, down. And we're not gonna go all the way because his tail is coming around, swinging around. We're gonna pull this underneath. And we're gonna cheat that tail on here. I don't know if you can bend that tail in real life, but we're gonna cheat it. So cheating, I'm gonna go over that in another tutorial. I'll tell you a little bit about it though. Sometimes you have to cheat drawings to fit them on the page. And so that's what we're doing with him. Instead of drawing it smaller, we're just gonna cheat it. We're gonna pull this down, and you're not really gonna see the feet so much. Pulling right here, the back foot, straight down. Elements are laid atop already kind of drawing. So there's fundamental drawing, which is the basics, like actually, pulling the line stroke, thinking of proportion, and all of that. And there's also like style, which is layered on top of that. So style is never really the central aspect. But that is a cartoony version of Iguanodon. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate it. If you enjoyed the video and you felt that you followed it along easily, please, like I said, subscribe and also share it with a friend. I get by with your shares and your feedback and more. Just kind of the support you guys give is really what gets me by. So thank you so much. If you did appreciate it, hit that like, and I will see you in the next video. Oops, okay, I forgot. One last thing. If you want to learn how to draw cute, I have a free ebook on how to draw cute art, and that is in the first description. It's about 8 or 9 pages, I believe it's 10, on the proportions of drawing something cute. I've gotten a lot of great feedback so far. I was gonna make it a regular ebook, like to sell, but instead I kind of I don't know, I felt like it was better to give it for free initially. I just thought that kind of would benefit people a lot more right off the bat. Because people support me already just with clicking and just following and all that stuff. So that's pretty much kind of my gift to you. I thank you so much for the great feedback on it. I appreciate everyone who has given me great feedback on it. So thank you so much, and I will see you in the next video. That's